Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we prepare tasty and yummy delicacy. Today we are making egg scrambled sauce with a twist of mackerel fish. If today is your first time coming across this video, you are welcome. For my old subscribers, I say thank you for always supporting me by watching my videos. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will be using the following ingredients such as onions, egg, my chopped tomatoes, my cooked mackerel fish. I will start by deboning all the fish. If you have watched up to this moment and you are enjoying this video, please subscribe, like and share. Also, please whenever you are watching my video and you see some advert, please do not skip it because it will help YouTube to pay me. Thank you. And now that I'm through deboning all the fish, I will set this aside. I will move over to cracking all my eggs. As usual, I will be doing this one after the other. And then I will show you the next thing to do. At this point, I'll be adding my salt. And then I will add my cinnamon powder, which is optional. In place of the cinnamon powder, you can add white or black pepper, or you can add any spices of your choice. And then I will go ahead to whisk. And now that I'm done whisking, I will set this aside as well. In a clean pan, I will add my vegetable oil and allow to hot a bit, and then add the chopped onions and fry for some minutes. I will add my fresh pepper and fry this for another minute before adding the next ingredient. I will add my chopped tomatoes at this point and give it a stir. We cover this to cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Now that it has cooked halfway, I will go ahead to add all my spices. I will be adding my thyme, curry powder. I will add some blended crayfish. This is optional as well, but this added a lot of flavor to my dish. And then I will add my garlic and ginger paste. And now I will be adding my deboned mackerel fish. And now I'll be adding the fish stock, the water I use in boiling the mackerel fish. This added another flavor to this dish I'm preparing. And then give everything a good stir. And now I'll be adding some salt, and then I'll also add some Maggi to give this a taste. And then I will give everything a stir. Now that my tomato sauce is ready, I will go ahead to add the whisked egg, and then I will show you the next step to take. I will cover this up to cook for 3 to 4 minutes in a low heat, and then open up the pan, and then I will give everything a stir. My egg sauce is almost ready. But there's still another thing I need to add to it, which is my green vegetable. This is very optional. You can go ahead to add your spinach or your fresh ugu leaf. After adding the leaf, I will go ahead to stir everything up to combine thoroughly. And thereafter, our egg sauce is ready. You can eat this alone like this, or you can eat it with ripe plantain, yam, boiled plantain. For me, I used my boiled rice to eat this up. It was so yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye.